What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name's Taylor and this is the 907 Fantasy page. And we had an absolutely beautiful day yesterday. We hit every single slip on VIP. We hit the free play on YouTube. It was an absolutely beautiful day. Cannot complain there, and that's why you want to be on VIP. So I'm doing something extremely special today. I'm discounting VIP 80% off for 3 people that use the code FLACCO. When signing up. So that link's going to be down in the description below. But we are back today. It is Friday, October 17th, and we have another free play for you today in college football and in the NHL. So if you guys are new, this is the 907 Fantasy page. So if you go over to Chalkboard, they're going to give you $20 of absolutely free money to go and play with. No deposit necessary. Just use the code 907 Fantasy when signing up. That link is also down in the description below. Same with over here on Sleeper. They're going to give you $20 of absolutely free money, no deposit necessary. They're also going to give you a free pick for NFL this weekend on Sunday. Once again, use the code 907 Fantasy when signing up over there, and they're going to hook you up there. If you guys are new to BETR and you need some free money over there, go over there, sign up. They're going to give you a free $10 plus a $200 bonus pick, plus this Michael Penix free pick for Sunday. So make sure to go and take advantage of that. Get all of that free money that is out there. You can put that on the slip today, any of those. So this was the free pick yesterday. We had Jaylen Warren over 24.5 rushing yards. Jamar Chase over 40 receiving yards. He cashed that easily. Aaron Rodgers over 170 passing yards. Joe Flacco over 180 passing yards. And then we had East Carolina to win outright. So that was a nice little double up our money there. For the free pick yesterday, cannot complain there. We also had these two over on better picks. Jaylen Warren over 24.5 rushing yards. He crushed that line. Both Jaylen Warren and Chase Brown, both the running backs for Pittsburgh and Cincinnati, both of them were not really great on the rush game this year. But both of them went absolutely amazing last night. It was a beautiful game to watch. Loved watching that. And then we had Jamar Chase over 64.5 receiving. And then we had Aaron Rodgers and Jamar Chase here. So nice little wins there. We had multiple others, but those were some of my favorites here. So let's hop into what we are playing for today. Like I mentioned, if you guys are new, I'm doing 80% off for the first 3 people that sign up with the code FLACCO. For the full week pass or the VIP gold level, the monthly pass. That's going to be limited to the first 3 people that use that code. It's going to sell out extremely quickly. So make sure to go over there and get signed up because you don't want to be missing out on that. As well, if you guys are new and you want to try out the VIP, we have $5 Friday today. So you sign up. It's $5 for all the plays today. I'll probably even send out some more for tomorrow that are going to be on today's slips. So make sure to get on that. That's $5 and you get all of the VIP plays for today. If you guys are new, go over there, get signed up for the Winible free plan as well. So let's hop into what we are playing today though. If we take a look, we have some good games on today. We have Miami at Louisville, or Louisville at Miami, sorry about that. Miami's heavy favorites at 13.5. We have Nebraska at Minnesota, San Jose State at Utah State, and North Carolina at California. So I'm loving some of these games on the money line. I like Miami on the money line. I like California on the money line. I like Nebraska, but I'm not going to be betting on that one. And then we have some NBA, MLB, NHL. Like, sports are back. I am so pumped. Sports are back. So let's hop into the free play for today. We're taking the Utah Mammoths over 1.5 goals scored. So they scored 2 goals. We cashed this one. Money line on California. North Carolina is having to travel all the way across the country to California. That's a 3-hour time difference, so they're going to be a little jet-lagged, playing a little slow. Bill Belichick was overhyped at North Carolina. Their team has been trashed. They lost their quarterback. I'm taking California here. It's going to be California all day long. And then we're taking Miami, Florida, Louisville at Miami on the money line as well. Miami should crush this game. They're heavy favorites. That's just a payout booster there. So I absolutely love this play. It's a beautiful three-leg parlay. Putting 5 on it to win $847. So go ahead and get this locked in. I'm putting this over in on ONYX. That link is down in the description below to get signed up. And they're going to give you, when you place $10 or when you deposit $10, they're going to give you $100 of free money. Where else can you get $100 for just putting in $10? Like, that is a absolutely beautiful, beautiful payout there. So make sure to go over there, get on ONYX, put $10 in. They're going to give you $100 in free bonus bets. You can put one of those bonus bets on this slip or whatever other slips you're liking. Once again, I'm putting this one in. I already put this one in. If you guys like it, tell it. If you guys don't, take what you like, what you don't like, match it up with some things that you're liking on your end. So good luck with all of your plays today. Let's go have another amazing day. We had a beautiful day, and we're looking to bounce back and have another amazing day today. I guess not necessarily bounce back, but just have another bounce back or have another amazing day. And keep riding that momentum. So good luck with all your plays today. Like I said, go over there, get on the Winible. It's 80% off for the first 3 people that sign up with the code FLACCO, or you can get on $5 Friday, and that is just $5 for all of the plays today. So let's go have a great day, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow for some college football Saturday. Peace out.